Warning, the following video contains adult language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yes, sire. Them say the kind of two side. Hey, you think me don't know the all them no like me? See them all hype up, but that still not strike me. But me a come man, dry land tourist. Tappa, fi tappa Norris. See the hypocrite, them a galante. 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 Men go.
When do you guys plan to grow? At one point in time do you say to yourself, I need to cut the shit and I need to grow the fuck up? You guys mean to tell me that just yesterday you were talking about colorism and prejudice and racism in Jamaica, and on a come on Twitter and compare mackerel to a cockroach and a jankro? What the fuck is wrong with you people, brethren? What is wrong with you people? The girl can't even enjoy her birthday, dog. When I get out of hand now, star. At what point in time do you guys wake up and say, yo, honest to God, this shit has to stop? The girl don't trouble nobody. She's been a victim of abuse, brethren. I wanna tell me, son, you can't just build on the jokes for one fucking day. One fucking day, and you can't just relax on a bumbuckler self and say, yo, maybe this is a little too inappropriate. Maybe this cross a fucking line. Maybe it's time we cut this shit out. It not funny, brother. It don't funny. Stop it.